Hello everybody, my name is Brittany and today we're going to be talking about the benefits of stretching. I'm a UREC instructor. Some benefits can be increase in blood flow. You can improve your flexibility and flow of motion. It can help decrease injury. It can help release tension such as soreness after a workout. It's more important to stretch after a workout than before a workout. You can start with dynamic, something like jumping jacks, and you can finish with a static stretch, something where you're standing in place stretching. And it can also help decrease injury levels.